In this video, we uncover two shocking incidents where women confront police officers, leading to intense escalations. From aggressive behavior to resisting arrest, these cases highlight the challenges officers face daily in maintaining law and order. Stay tuned as we delve into the details and consequences of these confrontations.
Ty, stop walking. Ty, I need to talk to you. Stop walking. Ty, stop walking. Ty, stop. Yes. Stop. Ty, don't make me run. Stop. Get the away from me. Stop. Right now. Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop. Don't touch me. Stop.
Don't touch me.
Oh, wait for me then and talk to me.
About what? You don't listen.
Why are you going there?
Where am I going where? To my dad's business?
Yes.
Well, because I went to you guys about my accounts being signed in there illegally in 2021. I keep going down there leaving messages to speak to your officer Biner about his 1099 code. I've never gotten an answer back. That's why I don't trust any of you.
Okay, well, I have not dealt with you.
Yeah, you have. Don't touch me! Get off of me!
Get down on the ground! Get down!
Get off of me! Damn it! Get off of me!
Cut! Stop!
You arrested me, did Miranda and you left? Get off of me!
Get down!
Do you want to fucking
turn the around? Turn the around.
No!
Yes!
No! Get off of me! You're the officer! Where's your body cam? You big bitch!
Turn around!
Hey! Damn it, stop it! You're attacking me!
Stop fucking moving! And do not bite me.
I didn't bite you. Put your hand in my mouth, you dumb bitch. Get off of me! No, she won't get off of me!
Stop!
No, she needs to leave me alone. She's followed me. You get her off of me?
Turn around.
No, I'm not.
Turn over.
Get off of me.
Turn around.
You had no, I didn't. I was walking away from her. I was walking away from her. Ow! Can you please tell this lady to stop following me? I just left the police station. I just came from the police station. Asking to speak to one of your officers again. Like I have for months now. 1099?
Yeah.
When do I get to an answer from you guys?
Some gloves on.
How come I've never gotten
My radio stations.
You have anything on you that's gonna poke us, stab us, stick us?
Yeah, there's a knife in my back pocket.
Which pocket?
I don't know.
Left, right?
I'm not sure.
Is it open?
No, it shouldn't be.
Okay. Just go get it.
Why is she chasing me down? I just left the police department. I literally just left the police department.
Hey, we're gonna explain all this to you in a minute, okay?
No, you're not. You lied.
Why?
You lied last time.
I don't know your name.
No, I was at your department lied last time.
Okay. We're gonna roll you over on your right side, okay? We're gonna check your other pocket.
No, great. You know, we could have just quit chasing me. How many times question. Why was I not talked to at the police department when I was just there? I asked if there was any officer to speak to. Why didn't you come out then? You guys aren't police officers, are you? You're not real police officers, are you?
Yeah, you're right. We're not.
Then why are you searching me? If you're not police officers, then why? Did you hear that? They just said they are police officers. She did. She just said that. Are you police officers?
Yes, we're police officers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. Look, all of our squad cars are right there.
Great.
Ty?
Yeah.
Ty, you're gonna bring your knees up to your chest, okay?
Why is that?
So I'm gonna stand you up.
Maybe I'm just too tired.
I can just pick you up then if you wanna go that route.
When do I get to speak to the officer I've been trying to speak to for like years?
We're gonna use your test, please.
Just wondering, real quick, you think you can answer that? Nobody's been able to answer me for years either. Because why? That's it. That's my purse and stuff over there.
Yep, it's all gonna come with you.
Yeah, well, let's make sure because, like, I have a tendency to have shit missing. You guys are assholes. So what do you guys get out of this? Like, keeping me from knowing my information. What do you get out of it? No, really, what do you get out of it?
What'd she do? Just...
Yeah, and then she hit me in the face.
So I just put you in the property?
Yeah.
So the warrant and then resisting agbat. I pulled in and I saw your car all the way down there. I was like, what the f?
And I was like, Ty, don't make me run after you. And then I start jogging, and then she stops and looks at me. She's just, you're not talking to me. So I went to go grab her, and then she turns on fucking deck, tries to like hit me in the hair, but she was like grabbing my head. It was like, yeah, and she watched most of it. Do you need Ty, do you need to see medical attention for your lip?
I don't know, do I? I can't tell.
It looks like you just beat your lip.
Yeah, well, I had my tooth pushed through my lip when the DCFS was calling me the first time. Didn't notice it until my kids told me I was bleeding.
That's from earlier?
No, that was from like 2020 when my ex was trying to push his way into my house.
So right now, Ty, your lip is bleeding. Do you need to see medical
I
attention?
don't know. You know what? I was told that for court, I'm unfit to stand trial. So how can I have a fucking warrant for court if I'm unfit to stand trial?
Ty, I'm not sure about that. And the
I don't know
people at the
either,
court
but
will be
somebody
able to...
should be able to answer this shit. I'm never getting an answer from anyone for like 3 years.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you again. Would you like medical attention for your lip? Yes or
Am
no?
I going to the hospital? I guess, sure. I'd rather go to the hospital than jail.
That's not how that works.
I don't know where I go. What do you mean? Do I need medical attention? Like, are you going to treat me right here in the car?
Call an
Yes,
ambulance,
that's-
They're gonna look at you and they're gonna determine if you're okay or not.
Whatever, sure.
What's going on today?
She phoned me from the police department where I went to ask for a police officer about some shit with my accounts.
We fought each other.
But then she started grabbing it,
Her lip is
obviously.
bleeding. She requested you guys.
Oh, you wanna go up and get that lip looked at?
Yeah, please.
Alright. That wants to talk to you or anything?
Not right now.
Alright, cool.
After being medically cleared from the hospital, Ty was booked in at the police station and charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, a warrant for failure to appear in court and resisting obstructing. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. This next suspect's actions cause over $10,000 worth of damage, forcing police to stop on the way to jail, where things get even worse.
Alright, I know you just were talking to these officers, but what happened tonight?
The same thing I just told these officers.
Well, I just got
Ask
here.
them.
What happened?
Well, that's great. Well, you can ask them because I just spoke to them.
Okay.
No
Alright.
disrespect.
Well,
or anything.
okay, well, put your hands behind your back. You're gonna be under arrest for domestic battery.
Do our parents know where you're doing this?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
You do.
Oh, yeah. They do.
They're okay with us.
Yeah, that's why they called.
Good. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
These things called rules.
I want my purse to
Alright,
flip.
I'll get we'll grab it. Is this your phone? Yep.
Wow.
No, I will not wear your f***ing seatbelt. I don't care what you say. I will unbuckle it no matter what you
Okay,
do.
that's fine. Well, I'm gonna put it on anyways.
Well, that's cute because I'm gonna unbuckle it anyways.
Good.
These little f***ers.
Just gotta let you know you're being audio and video recorded.
That's cool. You're still not reading me my f***ing Miranda rights, so I'll have that show up when the court shows up too.
I don't need you. I'm not asking you questions. No, I don't. I'm not asking you questions.
I don't care. You're still arresting me with my Miranda. Yeah, you still owe me my f***ing Miranda rights.
Okay.
Get me the f*** out of here. Get me the f*** out of here.
I'm gonna drive you to the jail. Get you out.
Yeah, really? Because you're f***ing slow at that for someone who knows what he's doing. Oh, wait, you don't know what you're doing. That's why your f***ing wife probably screams harder, harder. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue my parents. I'm suing f***ing everybody. I didn't do anything to get f***ing arrested! How the f*** am I getting... What are you even arresting me for? But I didn't touch anyone! The was inside! She never let me in! How could I have touched her? Get me out of here, you dumb fuck! I'm actually fucking done. I've been fucking done fucking drugs. I didn't fucking do anything fucking illegal! I don't give a fuck! I can't settle in court. Aw, is Daddy mad?
Let's see. You want to get tased?
You're out of your cuffs. You want to get tased? Yes or no?
You're gonna be a piece of shit. You didn't arrest me for no reason? Fuck it. Tase me. Maybe I'll feel something. Take your stupid ass little cuffs. I don't need your fucking cuffs.
Put him down. Put the cuffs down. Put him down.
The fact that you are willing.
That's all.
I'm not stepping out.
Get out.
I'm not stepping out.
Yes, you are.
You can ask me kindly.
Please get out.
If you let go of my hand. The fact that you guys are.
Get out.
Please get out.
Get out.
Put your hands behind your back. Yeah.
Hold on. Nope. You're not going to do that. Nope.
You just can't.
You guys are so stupid.
All right. Let's try this again.
You? Don't touch me.
No.
Really?
No.
I'll take you on the fucking nuts.
You don't think I asked you not to kick me in the f***ing nuts? I asked you not to f***ing touch me.
Get out.
I asked you not to f***ing touch me! Because I have PTSD from this shit! Go f*** yourself, you little piece of shit!
Put your feet. Don't stop kicking.
Enough.
Oh, you think it's gonna work? You can't lie.
Stay.
Piece of
Stay.
You piece of scum! Get me there now!
We're working on it.
Jesus Christ.
I can't let my fucking taxes pay for this stupid ass shit. So I don't fucking pay my goddamn taxes. It pays for your dumb shit. Let me out! You guys can see I can't breathe in here! What the f is wrong with you people?
After letting the suspect sit in the squad car for another 30 minutes to let her calm down, officers get ready to get her out.
If we get you out of here, are you going to cooperate with a fingerprinting?
If you don't do fingerprints, we're going to charge you with a felony for obstructing.
Obstructing what?
Obstructing justice.
So can you explain further what that means?
It means you're refusing to give your fingerprints. This is the process.
I'll give you my fingerprints, but I'm not guilty of a fucking felony.
We still need your fingerprints so we can get this process moving and we can get you out of here, okay?
Thank you. By tonight?
By tonight, yes. We can get you over.
Fine deal.
By tonight.
When you say get me over, are you saying get me over to Will County?
Get you over to Will County.
Okay, so you're not actually gonna get me out of here.
We will get you out of Naperville.
Just get me the fuck out of here. It's not like it matters. You're taking me somewhere regardless. I have no freedom anyways. You made it sound like I would take your pictures and give you a court date, and then bam, you'll be out of here. You guys were never. That was never your intention.
Right. All we're going to do is we're going to fingerprint you. We're going to take your picture. Okay? How about we do that? So let's step out.
No, because what's Will County gonna do?
So if you don't step out, then we're gonna have to charge you with a felony.
Why? What's the felony?
It's felony obstructing.
Obstruction of what? I didn't do anything. I can't even see.
Fingerprints when you're arrested.
Yeah, but I shouldn't even be arrested. Like, who agreed that I should be arrested?
Hey, this is the chance now you get out of your handcuffs like you've been asking, okay? Just come in here and keep following the instructions. You'll do okay. Come on, we're about to get you out of your cuffs, okay? Come on in here. Turn your face over.
Alright, Megan, I gotta pat you down real quick, okay? I'm gonna take these handcuffs off you. As soon as I do, you're gonna place your hand on the wall in front of you, okay? Do you understand?
Yes, get the f off of me. I can't even feel my hands. Ow! My God, this dumb isn't even
Well, stop pulling your arm.
job. I didn't pull my arm, you dumb bitch.
Walk in and go to your right.
The suspect continued being belligerent the rest of the night, even during her transport to the Will County Jail. She was charged with 2 counts of resisting, obstructing, 2 counts of aggravated battery to a peace officer, domestic battery, and criminal damage causing between $10,000 and $100,000 of damage. She is innocent, and unless proven guilty in a court of law,